Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University presented by United States Stove Company. In today's video, we will show you how to properly replace an 80145 limit control. This stove works for the following furnace models. Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a qualified stove technician or certified electrician do this for you. For today's project, the only tools you'll need are a 5/16 socket driver and needle nose pliers. Before starting your project, make sure all power is disconnected from your furnace. Now, go to the back of your stove and take off the cover for your limit control. Please take careful note of where your wires are connected. If your furnace has a fan control center, your wiring will look something like this. If your furnace has an 11DIKL draft induction kit installed, it should be wired similar to this. Carefully pull the wires out of the furnace. These wires are locked into place, so pulling them out might be somewhat difficult. Then, unscrew the lock nut attached to the conduit and slide it out of the limit control. Now, loosen the screws that hold the limit control in place. The limit control should then easily slide out of your furnace. Now, grab your new limit control. Using your needle nose pliers, cut the jumper on the limit control. Then, knock out one of the tabs on the limit control if you're connecting this to a furnace with a fan center. If you're connecting it to a furnace with a draft induction kit, knock out both. You can now slide your new limit control into the place of the old one and secure it with the screws you previously used. Insert the conduit you previously removed from the knockout space on the bottom of the limit control box. Then replace the lock nut. If you are installing this to a draft induction kit, you will have two conduits to attach. Twist all the wires coming from the conduits. The wires, when pressed in, will lock into place. If you are connecting this to a fan control, the red wire connects to the left side of the metal dial. The blue wire connects to the right side, and the black wire will connect to the bottom right terminal, below the metal dial. If you are connecting this to a draft induction kit, the black wires will connect to the right and left side of the metal dial, and the two white wires will attach to the terminals on the bottom, below the metal dial. Now you can slide the cover over your limit control and snap it into place. You have now finished installing the limit control on your furnace. You can return power and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend that a qualified stove technician or a certified electrician do this for you. Thank you for watching this edition of BurnTech University. Should you have any questions about this project or any other, please contact us at 1-800-750-2723 or visit usstove.com. Thank you for watching BurnTech University.